Hey everyone, I'm Maddie Laura. Let's eat. Good morning. I am filming this on a Friday. It is October 1st. Wow, it is October 1st. We are already in a new month. The holiday season is officially here. It's only 29 days. Wait, 30 days. 30 days until Halloween. Make sure you're checking out all of my fall videos, and I have more coming up soon. I can't believe it's October. So today I wanted to do Chick-Fil-A breakfast because I tried to do Hardee's again. I wanted to do Hardee's breakfast, but they canceled my order. I don't know why they did that. But this is my first time actually trying Chick-Fil-A breakfast. I've never officially ate it or tried it. I mean, I think I've had the chicken biscuit before, but someone got it for me, so it doesn't really count, you know. So today I have Chick-Fil-A breakfast. I have the chicken biscuit. Also have a, what was it? It's a hash brown egg burrito. Hash brown egg burrito. And then I have hash browns on the side. Love hash browns. Say hash browns 3 times fast. Hash browns, hash browns, hash browns, hash browns. Oh my gosh, that's horrible. And then I also got a donut from Dunkin' Donuts. Chick-fil-A doesn't sell donuts. Do you think they should? I don't know. And then I have hazelnut iced coffee from McDonald's. Like, that's not Chick-fil-A. Like, okay, but I love hazelnut iced coffee, and it's like 10 a.m. And then I really want a donut. I feel like not having a donut when you're having breakfast isn't really breakfast.
Oh, but I'm so sweet and tasty.
And I've been craving donuts for a few days now, so I just want a donut. Okay. And they also, because I got my Chick-fil-A breakfast from DoorDash, and they gave me jalapeno salsa. Guess they want me to feel spicy this morning. Oh, is it about to rain? I'll try to get some natural lighting. If you notice the drop, we are the real MVP. Yeah, it's not hot anymore, but this is the chicken biscuit. And I wanna just open up my food and show all of it first. Let me know if you eat breakfast every single morning, or you're just that person that's like, okay, iced coffee is fine, I'll have an early lunch, or you're just more in the mood for lunch. I know not everybody eats breakfast, but once I say that, people are like, you don't eat breakfast? Why not? It's not like the most important meal of the day. Like, is it? Is it? Burrito. Breakfast burrito. Breakfast burrito. And then the hash browns. I'm surprised they didn't give me syrup. I thought they would give me syrup to go with my chicken biscuit, but they didn't. And then donut from Dunkin' Donuts. Just strawberry frosting. And Dunkin' Donuts sprinkles. Ooh, this all looks really good. You get a sip of my coffee. Hazelnut iced coffee from McDonald's is my favorite. It's so good. I'm getting the coffee-itis. Just from drinking that, I can go to sleep right now. I got up around 7 something this morning. I walked my dog Mason. And then I took a shower and started ordering my breakfast food. And then Hardee's canceled my order. What's the matter, Hardee's? You guys are on DoorDash. I don't get it. I'm not originally from Florida. I'm from Buffalo, New York. So when I heard about Chick-fil-A, and me and my mom tried it when we moved here. Because we moved to Daytona. Yeah, that's a word. We moved to Daytona. Daytona. Woo! We moved to Daytona first before we moved to Jacksonville. And the first time I heard about Chick-Fil-A and they had a chicken biscuit, I was like, that is the most countryest thing I've ever heard. They got a chicken biscuit with some maple syrup. I was like, what? Chicken biscuit with maple syrup? I don't even know if they sell chicken biscuits in Buffalo. But hash browns and stuff, that's everywhere. That's good. I can go to sleep right now. My midterm for my English class opens at noon, and it's open all the way until Monday at 5 p.m. I don't know why she gave us that long. Woo. And then I have a meeting with my academic advisor at 1:30. I really want to push it up because I want to go to sleep. I feel like if I take a nap before my academic advising meeting, I'm just going to be tired and not want to do it. So I hope I can move it to a little earlier. Hopefully she has more times open, but if not, then I can stay up. I'll just try to do things to stay up. Maybe me and Mason can go on a walk. My dog, Mason. Maybe we can go on a walk. But actually taking long walks and working out, sometimes it gives me a lot of energy and I'm like awake, but sometimes it makes me relax and then I just want to take a 2-hour nap. So, I don't know. That one was really soft. These are crispy. Okay, now let's try this burrito. This is a hash brown. Oh, that sticker stuck to it. This is a hash brown, egg. There may be cheese in here, but hash brown, egg, cheese, maybe burrito. Okay, all I taste is egg. See the egg? All I taste is egg. I don't know. I just ate a piece of chicken. This is not what I ordered. I ordered the hash brown egg burrito. This is a chicken egg burrito. Oh well, it's good. Oh wait, okay. No, there's hash browns in here. Oh wow, so it's hash browns, chicken, eggs, and cheese. That's what's in here. Hash browns, chicken, eggs, and cheese. Okay, this is what I ordered. Okay, good. It just called a chicken burrito. I thought it was called a hash brown burrito. That's good. I like it. I can go to sleep right now. Oh my goodness, so there's Chick-Fil-A on my college campus because I go to Jacksonville University. Check out my vlogs. I have a new vlog coming out. Wait, what's today? Oh yeah, I have a new vlog because I'm looking at my calendar up there. I have a new vlog coming out this Saturday because this will be uploaded on Tuesday. So videos every Tuesday and Saturday. Make sure you subscribe and play the notification bell. All right. I have a vlog coming up this Saturday in Jackson University, we have Starbucks and Chick-Fil-A. That's all we have is Starbucks and Chick-Fil-A. I don't stay on campus, but I know a lot of people who do stay on campus, and they get tired. They get tired of it really quickly. I never get tired of Chick-Fil-A. How long have I been in Florida? Let me see. Daytona. I moved here. That was 8th grade. And then Jacksonville 4 years because of high school and college. Wait. 8th grade. 1, 4, 5. Because then high school and then college, freshman, sophomore, junior. Ooh, maybe 6 to, oh my gosh. I don't know if I counted that right. It's too early. I know it's been at least 5 years that I've been living in Florida. And it may be 6 now, and I may be going on 7, or it may be 7 going on 8. I'm not sure. Those were good. Get another bite. I love it. I just want to heat it up. I'm gonna go heat this stuff up. Except my donut doesn't need to heat it up, but we get one more bite. I'm gonna heat up my food. This is getting cold, and when eggs get cold so fast. I remember talking to my mom about that. And the one time you let eggs sit out for 30 seconds, it's already refrigerator cold. So I'm gonna heat up both. I'm gonna heat up both of these. I heated up the breakfast burrito and my chicken biscuit for 20 seconds. So I just wanted to heat up my food. Got a little cold. Oh no! That felt quick. Ooh. Okay, this should taste better now. Cold eggs are just not great. Oh yeah. Better. Looking up at my TV watching the Dallas Cowboy Cheerleaders, one of my favorite reality shows. I was about to fall off. I'm just eat it. That was a big hot piece. That's good. Comment down below if you are ready for Halloween or you're ready for the holiday season. If you like Chick-fil-A, if you don't like Chick-fil-A, if you've never had Chick-fil-A, let me know. I want to know. I'm getting full. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Okay, so let me eat my donut. Strawberry frosting on a donut. The best. I'm gonna take a nap. I want to. Food is good if it makes you tired or you eat all of it. I'm getting full. Or if I do, I just have something light and then I have coffee. I am a coffee drinker. National Coffee Day was a few days ago. And I didn't go to Dunkin' or Starbucks, and I should have to get a free cup of coffee. But then, I think in order to get a free cup of coffee on National Coffee Day, you had to have like the Starbucks app or the Dunkin' Donuts app and be a part of the rewards plan. Not a part of any of those, but I should, because I know I can get a lot of points. And I can rack those up and I can get more stuff from mukbangs. So I should be downloading apps to all the fast food places and restaurants that I like to eat at. I need to do that. My tooth feels funny. Eat on the side then. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. Click that notification bell so then you can see when my videos come out. They come out every Tuesday and Saturday. I hope you have an amazing, wonderful day. Remember that you are beautiful. God loves you. And this is a new month, a new season. Let's start it. Oh, with a burp. No. Let's start it off right. And let's push forward. And let's continue to grow. I'll see you next time.